Hi students, problem number 12. A capacitor of 60 microfarad is connected to a 110 volt 60 hertz AC supply. Determine the RMS value of the current in the circuit. So, while reading the problem, what are all the informations available, I will write. The capacitance C is equal to 60 microfarad. Okay, so this is 60 into 10 power minus 6 farad. So this is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 5 farad. This 0 is adjusted here. Okay. Then you see here 110 volt is the RMS value of the voltage. So this is V RMS is equal to 110 volt. Then the frequency of the supply AC is 60 hertz. So I can write the frequency F or frequency nu. Okay, this is equal to 60 hertz and IRMS is to be determined. Okay, students, in an AC circuit, if you connect a capacitor means what is the opposition offered by the capacitor to the flow of AC? That is the opposition offered by the capacitor to the flow of AC is called as capacitive reactance, is it not? So, capacitive reactance is denoted with the symbol Xc. So, this is equal to 1 by omega into C. This is once again equal to 1 by 2 pi F into C. This is called as capacitive reactance. So first we have to determine this. So first we will substitute the values. Therefore Xc is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi. So this is 2 into 3.14 into frequency is 60 into capacitance is 6 into 10 power minus 5. So Xc is now equal to, you can see here this is 60, there is one 10, is it not 16 to 10. So if you multiply with the 10 power minus 5 in the denominator, you will have 10 power minus 4. But I will shift that to the numerator. So this is now 10 power 4 divided by 2 into 3.14 is 6.28 into 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, 36 ohm. So let it be as it is now. Okay, you keep it as it is. This is the capacitive reactance. Okay. Now IRMS is equal to VRMS divided by the resistance offered by the capacitor, that is Xc. So this is now equal to VRMS is how much? 110 volt. So this is 110 divided by Xc. Xc is what? 10 power 4 divided by, okay, divided by 6.28 into 36. So if you readjust the term, now IRMS will be equal to, so 110 multiplied by 6.28 into 36, okay, divided by 10 power 4. So this is 10,000. Now this 0 and 0 can be cancelled. Okay, so this is now equal to, therefore IRMS is now equal to 11 into 6.28 into 36. Okay, I am going to use the calculator now. So 11 into 6.28, 11 multiplied by 6.28 multiplied by 36. Okay, I find that answer is 2.486. So this is equal to 2.486 into 10 power 3 is coming, so I will write 2486 itself. Okay, now this is divided by 1000, so this is equal to 2.486 ampere. So this can be rounded off. This can be rounded off as what 2.5 ampere. Okay. Therefore, IRMS is now equal to 2.5 ampere is coming. Okay. Now you check the options. Option A itself is the right answer. So option A. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. So, my dear students, first in any numerical problem, first you write or you just look at the given quantities and you try to relate them. If you want to find the RMS value of current from RMS value of voltage, you have to divide it by the resistance, that is capacitive reactance, because it is a capacitor. Suppose if inductor had been given, means what? By inductive reactance XL you have to divide. So first you keep it in your mind what formula has to be used. Then you substitute properly and you will definitely be successful in getting the right answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.